Hi, this is Cort. I'll be doing my how-to video on how to solder some copper tubing. What appliances you're going to need is copper tubing, 1/2 inch, a torch, some flux, and some soft solder. To start, you're going to want to clean the tubing with a Brillo pad. Get all the copper residue off. You're going to apply the flux to the tubing. Don't be afraid to use it. The way around. You're going to do the inside of the tubing. And join those together. Wipe off excess flux. You're going to take the torch, heat up just the tubing, heat both sides. Just heat it up till the flux starts boiling, then it should be hot enough. Okay, my flux is boiling. And the solder should melt right on there. Don't get the flame in the solder should melt. That's all there is to it. Then go to the other side. Same thing, heat till the flux boils.
The table!
Sorry. That's all there is to it. Take a wet, damp cloth. Put it over. Be careful, it's very hot. Let it cool.
God. No.
And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Thank you.
Admire the help that you